Jamaican Ackee. There you have it, guys, all done. Good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful Sunday morning, so I am gonna make some Jamaican favorite ackee and saltfish, serving that with some fried dumpling. Let's get started. So guys, I am using canned ackee because I'm in Canada, so I don't have an ackee tree outside. But look at the price of the ackee here. $10 for one can of ackee. Can you believe it? Calculate that Jamaican money. Oh my God. Food price is killing us. And this is my saltfish. But I won't use all of this saltfish to one can of ackee. I will use half. Less than half. Because for sure, I love when ackee and saltfish is really ackee and saltfish. And not just ackee. So I'll use a smaller half. And now I'll put this boil just to get the salt out. Voila! I'll pour the water out. Because trust me, these water have too much preservative. So the water is already boiling. So to the ackee, I will put a little bit of butter. Put some butter in the water to boil the ackee. And everything I cook, I add garlic. So I'll just put the garlic and put it to boil. Leave it there to boil. So this is like a cup of flour, so I will just go in with a teaspoon of baking powder. I'll also use some salt. Today I'm using the white salt. And also some butter. So now I'll try fold the butter into the flour. This way you get air inside. And as you know, the air works as a raising agent for the dough as well. Now the saltfish is boiling, I'll change the water. So I'll put fresh water. So guys, I'll use the milk to knead the flour. Now the dough is ready. So I'll just give it a little time to set. So now I'll get the frying pot ready to fry the dumpling. In the meantime, I will prepare the season or the ground provision for the ackee. So I'm using scallion, Scotch bonnet pepper, and red bell pepper, and a piece of onion. I just beat this a little bit because in my head I feel like I will get more juice out of it. So now the oil is ready. I will start making the Johnny cake. So the key is to let them kiss. That way you notice the oil is coming from this one to this one to this one. So all three of them cooking at the same time. Now I'll remove the saltfish and clean the saltfish. So now I'm cleaning the scale from off the saltfish. And also these bones I don't want it. Another way you could also strip the saltfish before you boil it. I'm gonna flip my Johnny cake. Maybe this pot is small for so much. And now the ackee is all cooked, so I will just drain the ackee. So now guys, I set the pot on just to cook up the ackee saltfish. So this scallion that I beat and put in it, I will remove it. Don't want this. That was just for flavor. And the garlic that I beat and put in it, I will remove that also. Now the oil is hot, I will add my brown parmesan. Now I will add the saltfish. I will let that saute in the seasoning and the oil for about 30 seconds, and then I will add the ackee. I don't want to turn too much because I don't want the ackee to become minty. Then I will add some black pepper. Let it stay there for another 30 seconds and voila! I'm done! Ackee and saltfish, all done. So guys, now everything is all done. I'm gonna make my hot beverage now. I will be making a mocha, so I'm using coffee and hot chocolate and some coffee meat just to make it, you know, nice and crispy. That's good. I'm using this coffee today, Maxwell House. Some hot water. Just a spoon of honey. That's good. And a little bit of milk. Using the box. Don't need more than that. Guys, this breakfast is so missing like 2 slices of fried plantain and some avocado, but I don't have that today, so it's okay, can work without it. There you have it, guys, all done. Ackee and saltfish and some Jamaican Johnny cake or fried dumpling and some hot beverage. This is my mocha. Love it. Guys, hope you all enjoy this video. Please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.